Welcome to Mora FC. In calculating a half circle or a circle or a flare, you need your radius. You need to know the calculation, how to calculate your radius. The radius is what we're going to use. So I'm going to teach you the two methods in calculating a half circle or a 180 flare. There's two methods of calculating this, doing this calculation. So we're going to take the circumference, the waist measure that you measure, your waist circumference. The one I'm working on is 30. But we need a radius. This is what we're going to use. So radius go to C over 2 pi times half. That's the formula for radius. We don't need a circumference, we need a radius. So now our circumference is going to be 30 plus 2, which is the sewing allowance. That will give us 32. That's the circumference now. That's the new circumference that we are going to use, 32. 2 pi is equal to 6.28. That is 2 pi r. 2 pi. So we're going to substitute this into the formula. We have 32 divided by 6.28 times half, and that will give us 10.19. You can run it down and make it 10.2, or better still, you can just make it 10. So let's go to the second method. Like I said, we need a radius. You can use this one or you can use this second method. It's very important. Which one you use is up to you. We all know that 2 pi, now you know 2 pi, so now you know 2 pi is equal to 6.28. But we're going to divide it into 2, because the 6.28 stands for a full circle, so we're going to divide it into 2. That will give us 3.14. So our circumference, which is 30 plus 2, which gives us 32. The 2 is sewing allowance, I have to have the sewing allowance, 32. So we're going to do 32 divided by 3.14, and that will give us 10.19. You can run it down, make it 10.2, or better still, make it 10. So these are the two calculations for calculating a 180 flare or half circle. So you can use this first method, you can use this second method, you're still going to get the same answer. So let's get on to the fabric. I'm cutting it on the main fabric. Sometimes your flare can be so long that your fabric is small in certain part that you can't work it out. So that's why I don't want to use the pattern. I'm using a fabric, so that when you have a short fabric and you want to adjust something to it, you know how to adjust something. So I'm starting from the top. The tip there, I'm marking 10 inches. When I'm working with 10 inches, I'm marking 10 inches. So I'm calculating the length of the person, the length of it. So the length of, after getting the length, let's say the length is 40, then you add 10 to it, making it 50. So you're going to start at the top again, then you go around. Then go around of it. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, comment. So you still have to go around like that from the tip of the angle. Like I said, after deducting so you're gonna see that your measurement, there's a shortage of fabric there. Don't worry, you just have to trim it out. So after trimming it out, you just have to fold your fabric into 2 like that and fix it there like that. Place on it on a ½ inch. Let it be over on top on a ½ inch, because we're going to join it. You're going to sew that part, so you have to put it on it on a ½ inch. You know, some people don't know how to join a fabric when the fabric is too small. You say, my fabric don't reach, blah 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 blah. You just have to, you know, add some to it. So you can see, I'm just going to continue the rest of it. Hey, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, comment. Give me a thumbs up. It is what it is, more IFC. So you just have to trace it up and just cut it. If you don't get the circle correct, when you're folding at the tip, you're gonna find yourself into trouble a little bit. And when you find yourself in trouble, there's another technique on how to do that. Hey, using Mara IFC, just stay tuned so you can see. So what you gotta do is that you have to pin that part. When you mark your 10 inches at this point, don't just cut it on the marking line, just come like ½ inch above. That will be the sewing part of it. So working on this, you need your waistband, your zip. So this is the waistband that I measure. You can put facing on it, just fold it like this and that. You can cut the length, supposed to be like the width or maybe the length. Measure your waist measurement. Right now I'm gonna mark where my zip is gonna end, so I just put my waistband on it, on the waist, and I just marked where the zip will end, because the zip will have to pass through the waistband. So I just put the waistband on the fabric. So I'm just flipping, turning everything over. So I'm joining it, I'm joining it together. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, comment. So I just reached the place that I make the zip gonna end. This is the place that the zip gonna end. Like I said, you have to put your waistband on it at the waist part, and you measure where your zip gonna end, and you sew to that part and reach it. So now we're gonna join your waistband before joining your zip. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. Click on notification bell so anytime I post a new video, you'll be notified so that you miss any video of mine. So you can see how I folded it up. I'm folding it again. With this method, it's up to you. This is a long skirt. This is a long skirt. So you can use the same method and make it a short skirt, a long skirt, whatever you want it to reach. It's up to the length, is up to you how you want your skirt to be. So just follow these steps and you're just gonna do your skirt. Your 180-degree flare, use the calculation or a half circle. My waistband is long, so I just have to trim some off. Still is long, I just have to still trim some off. It's more IFC, it is what it is. So after cutting your flare, you just have to join your waistband. You have to join the waistband before joining your zipper. Because you're joining the zip, you have to join it throughout with the waistband. So after sewing one part, I turn it over and I'm top stitching it. If you didn't cut your waistband correctly, you're gonna have a problem when joining it like that. You can see how it's still flat, beautiful. So after joining your waistband, you just have to join your zip. You can see how it has looked. Checking everything and see. It's Mora FC, it is what it is. So it's time to join your zipper. So after joining your zipper, so after finishing up your zipper, you just have to come to the bottom and fold it in like this. It's Mora FC, it is what it is. If your circles ain't right, foldings like this, you're gonna have a problem. Just have to take it easy. If you didn't get your circle right, when you're folding like this, you're gonna have a problem with that. You're gonna go through it a little bit challenging. That's why I'm just going through for you to see. We are all working through to see if everything is clear. To prove to you that yeah, I got the right circle. All that is it, it's Mora FC. It is what it is. This is 180 flare or half circle skirt. So after about folding the bottom, you're done with your skirt. Wow, the skirt is really big, you know, it's big. I'm still going around it. Yeah, you see. I'm almost done. I think so, I'm almost done. Yep, you can see I'm done making top stitch. So this is it, you're done with your skirt. It's more IFC, it is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Comment, click on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you my subscribers. Thank you so much. I'm out.